Welcome to the U.S. Financial News Channel, friends. Here are some top financial news for the day. The Federal Reserve's July meeting minutes unveiled a split view among officials on inflation and interest rate increases. While most participants remained wary of elevated inflation risks, signs of dissent surfaced. The minutes from the July 25th, 26th session indicated two officials favored maintaining rates instead of the authorized hike. The tension between moderating inflation and strong economic growth came to the forefront. The July rate hike marked a 22-year high for the Fed's benchmark rate, reaching 5.25% to 5.5%. Market reactions ensued with climbing Treasury yields, extended S&P 500 losses, and a stronger dollar. As the consensus on the tightening campaign shifted, the Federal Reserve navigated balancing potential risks with adequate tightening. Amid expectations for a rate hike pause this year, attention turns to the Jackson Hole Conference for hints on future policy from Chairman Jerome Powell. In another developing news, that China's state-owned banks have reportedly been active in selling U.S. dollars to buy yuan in both onshore and offshore foreign exchange markets this week, aiming to curb the depreciation of the yuan. State banks, often acting on behalf of the central bank during yuan pressure, are engaging in dollar sales to mitigate the yuan's recent decline. Offshore branches of these banks were also observed selling dollars during London and New York trading hours. This effort to sell dollars may stabilize the offshore yuan and prevent excessive divergence from its onshore counterpart. The yuan has dropped about 2.4% against the dollar this month and 6% since the year's start, as concerns over China's economic growth and property sector risks mount. China's widening yield gap with the U.S. and the People's Bank of China's monetary easing have contributed to the yuan's recent decline. The central bank's attempts to slow the depreciation include setting stronger-than-expected fixings and state banks repeatedly selling dollars.